Good morning, everyone. So, welcome again to this new session of Masti Ki Pathshala today. So, what we are doing today? We have a technical analyst with us, जो हमको आज help करेंगे टेक्नोलॉजी को थोड़ा यूज़ करने के लिए. So, we have a technical team एंड वो आज हमको बताएंगे कि हम अपने गूगल क्रोम में अपना जो बेस आता है, लाइक जो वॉलपेपर होते हैं, जो थीम्स होते हैं, उसको हम कैसे चेंज करते हैं. और बच्चों के लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग थीम्स अवेलेबल हैं. सो लेट्स गो एंड सी that how can we change the Google theme. And you can see right now beside me there is a Mario Kart 6 or Kart 8 themes. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google Chrome and there you will see a web store. So once you go to web store, this is web store. You'll go on the web store and you will pick up the scene you want. So this is a web store. Click it and you can have sceneries, you can have animals. So let us see what you like. So let us see if I'm looking for a very beautiful scenery. So automation team, can I see scenery? Okay, yes. So we are going through some scenery and we have these scenery as themes. So now if I select a scenery, yes, this is mountain and ocean. I like it. So if I add to Chrome, my Chrome will look like a scenery, which gives me a good feeling. So let's see. So automation team, can we see actually how the theme look like? So we are waiting and we'll go and we'll see the theme. So is that theme available in my Chrome now? I think it is upgrading and it is having some network problem. So our new theme is coming in my computer. And up girls can have a theme of Barbie, and somebody who likes Fortnite games can have Fortnite themes. Some kids, those who like Pokemon, they can have Pokemon themes. Few people, those who like flowers, they can have flower themes. And then we have art theme as well. And there are some, you can upload your photo also. So I'm showing you how can, okay, now see, this is the scenery. I selected a scenery in which I wanted a mountain, I wanted some water and some nature. So this is a nice. So can we have art theme based? Okay, so we'll go back to Google Chrome again, web store, and there we will type art. So you will see different art available everywhere. So you have art themes, you go down and you see all the art forms available. So pick up what attracts you and then add to your Chrome. So if I'm taking digital art, I will click on it and then I will add that in my Chrome. So can you please select one art theme? Yeah, this art image. Take this image, add to my Chrome. So I'm adding it to my Chrome and this is coming to my Chrome. So I'm giving you a look of my Chrome. See how it looks like. Now, wow. If I'm an artist, I love it. Now, can you put my picture, my photo? So here you have an option where you can upload your photo and make it as your base photo. So again, you have to do the same thing. You have to go there. You have to upload your photo. So I'll upload my photo. So I'll go in my camera. I'll click my photo. Yes. So can you upload the photo, please? Yes. Now see, I am here sitting in front of you and I have my photo on my computer. And you can click a family photo. Okay, so let's have something for a girls. Can we have Barbie theme? So again, you go to web store. You will click Barbie. Choose all the photos coming through Barbie. And then you can make it your own way. And you have some old photos, maybe some Diwali photo, maybe some family vacation photo, so that you can put it and you change it every day. So this is Barbie theme, you can see. Okay, so pick up this theme. Yes, this is nice. Add to Chrome. So this is for girls. So if somebody likes Barbie a lot, my dear students, you can pick it up and make it as your base theme. So here the Barbie theme will come. This is the art theme we have worked on. Now this is a Barbie theme we have. And can we have animals also, automation team? Can you give me some animals like koala or kangaroo? Or we can have lion as well. So can you show us animals available and I will pick up an animal from there? Okay, animal themes. So let's see what animals are available for all of us. Oh, we have kangaroos. Okay, and we have. Okay, so you can click this and show us the kangaroo wallpaper. So this is magic in your hands. You have बोलते हैं ना कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में. So आप अपनी दुनिया अपनी मुट्ठी में कर सकते हो. When you are happy, you can have pink base. When you are upset, you have black base. You can work according to your colors, according to your mood, and change it. So let's have some cute animal as part of my Chrome today. So I like rabbits. Can I have one rabbit theme for the final closure of today? Yes, rabbit. Oh, that's a cute little rabbit. Yes, you can take this one. The white rabbit. Yes, this is nice. This is rabbit theme I'm putting on my computer right now. And there are some thing you can buy on. So I'm not asking you to click on the buy paid button. You will see there are some paid versions of it. So there are free things available. So I would like you to use free things first. So yes, now we are coming to an end. Now this is amazing rabbit I have in my laptop. So these themes can work out for your mobile as well. So just change your theme and enjoy your day. Utilize your day and create new themes every day if you want to. So with these tech tips, our idea is to make you understand that what all technology you can use in your day to day. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. I'll be back again with a new thing.